The Ways and Whys of Recycling is sponsored by Rumpke, the recycling leader.
Hi, I'm Jeff Snyder, the Director of Recycling for Rumpke Waste and Recycling. And I'm here to tell you that recycling works. It's important to our environment and to the better health of our population. But it's important to know what and how to recycle things the right way. Like your personal information. Despite living in the digital age, we still manage and circulate many of our most important and sensitive documents on paper. While we still need to have physical copies of important documents, it's easy for old, outdated, or unnecessary forms, bills, statements, and other papers to collect and build up. While you might like to bag these documents and toss them in the trash, remember that millions of people have had their identities stolen because they improperly disposed of personal documents. The best way to dispose of those documents and to keep your information safe is to destroy the papers before throwing them away. Use a cross-cut or micro-cut shredder to destroy important and sensitive documents. Do not use basic strip-cut shredders. While the documents will be destroyed in a strip-cut shredder, the pieces are large enough to reassemble. Cross-cut shredders create much smaller strips, and micro-cut shredders turn any document into a pile of confetti, making it virtually impossible to reassemble the pieces. Once everything is properly shredded, place the debris in a clear plastic bag, and then you can send them to recycling for processing to be used as a new raw material. Please remember, this is the only way we will accept a plastic bag in recycling. For more of the latest information about recycling and other useful tips, visit Rumpke.com, the recycling leader.
The Ways and Whys of Recycling is sponsored by Rumpke, the recycling leader.